Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to the another live stream for the Euro USD. It's been a long time since we haven't shared the analysis or haven't been live stream. I hope you guys doing great. So let me discuss the Euro USD position that is right over here. Just a second. Give me a minute. All right. Okay, cool. So, this is the position that I am already in. So, we already see that on the 1 hour time frame. Let me just open this also. Okay, so let me see on the, let's come on to the daily time frame first, right? So, the daily time frame, as you can see, hi. So, all right. As on the daily time frame, you can see the whole trend is bearish, and we are below the 21 EMA, right? And still, this candle is a bit doji and indecisive candle that has been opened of today. And yesterday's candle, if you see, we had a big rejection from this area, right? And we formed the wait. I'll show you. Okay, right over here. Yeah. So there was a fair value gap on the daily time frame, right? And it got rejected from this area and we went down, right? So now we are hanging in between the fair value gap of the bullish movement that was here, right? So let's come on to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, already you can see the candle is being bearish. We had a heavy rejection from the bearish fair value gap that was formed from here. So if you can see, the whole our order flow is in the bearish state. All right, so we are going with the trend. And let's come on to the 1 hour time frame now. What happened on the 1 hour time frame? Again, if you can see, there was a bit of consolidation and a wiki movement happening over here, but still you can see there was a rejection. There was a rejection from this area. This area tapped and went down. Now, what we can see? We can see a bit of a retracement or bit of rejection from this area right over here. All right, so just be careful from this area if you want to book half position, because it's already wait, it's already been wait, 7 more than 1:1 we have achieved. So if anybody want to book or cut the half of the position, they can do that. All right, so we can expect the correction from this area because we have a bullish fair value gap as well. One more thing we have is the no wick candle. No wick candle indicates that we can a bit retrace, right? If this candle fills this fair value gap and closes below, we are already good. So let's see on to the 15 minutes time frame, right? 15 minutes time frame also, we saw that we had a bullish movement making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and then we had a displacement. We break below the 21 EMA and formed a bearish fair value gap. If you see on the 5 minutes time frame now, I took my entry from here. Somewhere over here, there was a bearish fair value gap. I entered my positions from here. And let's see if we can get some kind of correction from here. If you wanna guys book, you can book because it's already been more than 1:1. As I told you, on 1 hour time frame, we can expect a bit of rejection from here or a reversal maybe from here, because there's a bullish potential fair value gap, right? So if we continue with the position, then that's all right. So this is the trade that I am in. I will be holding full probably. Let's see. Hi. Fair value gap indicator का नाम बताओ. It's Lux Algo. Wait, can you see? It's Lux Algo fair value gap. By fair value gap, Lux Algo. So you can easily spot that. It's almost yeah, this okay. It's more than 1:2 position. Let's see. We have already captured the more than 1:1 now. We can see stop loss was 7, somewhere 7 pips, and we got 11 pips already, so it's more than 1:1. Let's see if we can sustain. or make a fair value gap right over here, we are already good. But I feel what can happen is we can expect the consolidation and then some kind of move. Let's see. Displacement क्या होता है? Displacement is basically I'll show you it. Let's see, maybe on 15 minutes, all right. तो अगर आप देखो 15 मिनट्स पे हमें एक स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है, हायर हाइज एंड हायर लोज का, राइट? एंड एकदम से एक सडनली एक इम्पल्सिव मूव आता है जब, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज एन इम्पल्सिव मूव वी गॉट फ्रॉम द मार्केट, एक इम्पल्सिव मूव आया, इसने ब्रेक कर दिया पुराना स्ट्रक्चर, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. जैसे आई शो यू राइट ओवर हियर आल्सो, there was a proper bearish structure, यहाँ पे structure आया, and suddenly there was an impulsive move, we got the impulsive move of the bullish candle, we broke the previous structure, यहाँ हमने previous structure को break कर दिया and we got a displacement. अगर displacement के बाद we would have continued, then it would be considered as breakout structure. So there was no confirmation that we will be going bullish right over here, but we had a small displacement. Now see, I told you that we'll be getting some kind of rejection from this area, and we are already getting that. Let's see. Previous week live nahi aaya. Yeah, actually I was not here, so I was unable to come live. I was in the TFL club. If you are following me on my Instagram, you could have seen that I was in the TFL club. I think we have a news right now. Let me see. Let's see. This was a potential reversal from here because this was first there was a bearish fair value gap. Secondly, it was a no wick candle, and as we know that there's a high probability of reversing this candle. So it compensated, filled the gap, and we got the move. I think we have. Do we have any red folders? Okay, so there's a orange folder at 2:30. ये TFL club क्या है? It's like a traders. Basically, it's a traders community, and a lot of traders come and connect with each other and discuss uh the problems or anything. Like they can network over there. So it's a like a fun place for the traders, and they organize like monthly. So a lot of mentors come. There was Parida, there was FRX Law. There's a lot of mentors there. So it's very happening place because the main motive of this community is like trading is basically a lonely journey kind of, and there's no one ahead of us telling us that, oh, you can improvise like that. So you can meet them and discuss even your issues or network, or you can even get potential opportunities over there. So it's always good for networking, these kinds of events. It helps you a lot, the things that nobody tells you, the potential pitfalls in trading or in the industry overall. So it's good for that. See, up now you see that there was a this candle was very impulsive, and if it broke this high, we can consider this candle as a displacement candle then, because it broke the previous highs or lows impulsively. मैं भी join कर सकता हूँ. Yes, of course. You can register for the next event. So the 4 hour candle has been flipped, right? So it's probable that we can flip more. Let's see. But we already got the move that we wanted to capture, so how can I register? Uh, maybe I will announce some kind of stories I'll put maybe, or you can even DM me on my Insta. I'll send you the community link, and even you can follow the Trade Fluenza's social page, so you can get the updates over there even. Then we'll be contacting you, and then directly you can join it. मैम आपको प्रॉफिटेबल होने में कितना टाइम लगा? See, if you the thing is that if you're gonna learn from the mistakes, it will take less time, because जो learning curve होता है, most of the people what mistakes do they make is they don't learn from the mistakes. Imagine I made a mistake today. I did overtrade today, and I'm repeating it again and again. So that will make my learning curve बहुत ज़्यादा. So in trading, it's always good to grab things quickly and improvise it on the spot, because इसमें ये सीन है कि कोई भी नहीं आ रहा तुम्हें बताने. Nobody will point you out कि you are over trading or you are doing revenge trading. Nobody will come and point you out. So to avoid that situations, we need to be responsible enough that we improvise or improve our mistakes and learn quickly. Then it will take like 2 years. It depends upon person to person. Personally, 2 years. See, now this is called displacement. This is the displacement that happened on 5 minutes time frame. So I think our stop loss will be gone from here. From tomorrow, I will be probably coming live at exactly 12:30 because it's been a lot late for me, and then we'll discuss everything in detail. Because I posted my position today very late in the Discord even. See, this is the exact example. If I can copy this image. See, we had a displacement over here. You see, there's a high highs, high highs, and high lows, low lows, and then एकदम से ही there was an impulsive movement जिसने सारे lows को highs को break करा और एक move दिया. तो ये एग्जाम्पल होता है डिस्प्लेसमेंट का, राइट. तो हमारा यहाँ पे अभी वी हैव हिटेड आवर स्टॉप लॉस आफ्टर गिविंग द मूव. Did you guys do took the 1:1? We had more than 1:1. 7 and 11. Four hour fair value gap. See, you can't say that it will be going above the fair value gap. Agar this candle closes above, abhi it's been like 1 hour 45 minutes. We are left with this. So if this candle closes above, then we can expect a bullish movement more. डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैसे कैप्चर कर सकते हैं? यू कांट कैप्चर डिस्प्लेसमेंट्स. It's very difficult to capture displacements because see, it's kind of reversal movement, and after displacement you can capture the move. Like for example कि यहाँ पर हमने एक डिस्प्लेसमेंट आई, राइट. हमें पता लगा कि एक हाई ब्रोक हो गया है, तो इसके बाद जो स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट होगा हम उसके बेसिस पे ट्रेड ले सकते हैं, बट वी कैन कैप्चर द displacement because we never know when displacement is gonna happen. Because हमें नहीं पता था, because there was a trend, there was a proper high lower lows and low highs, right? So we never know when the displacement is gonna happen, so we can't capture that until there is a proper structure shift. So displacement happened, and now if there's a small retracement, then we can take a bullish trade. I'm giving an example for that. Then it will be considered a breakout structure and structure shift. Until then, no, because we don't have any confirmation. Maybe it comes to cut stop loss and come down again, because displacement can happen because of news also. Right over here, see, uh it made high lows, low lows, and low highs, right? Then it came again here. The displacement happened, this move, the displacement happened, broke the previous highs, okay, and it retraced down here. We could have taken the trade over here and put it as stop loss somewhere here, or TPO somewhere over here. So we can take like that, but we can't capture this kind of move because हमें नहीं पता when this move will be occurring. For example here देखो, यहाँ पर displacement हुई, okay, but हमें नहीं पता now this move will go up or not. There's no shorty because अब इसके बाद ही नीचे आ गया. It was just a liquidity grab of highs and lows. So there is a probability कि we can continue bullish. Why? There's one thing that हमारा 4 hour का candle flip हो चुका है. So if the 4 hour candle flips, it's very high probability that the market will go bullish. Why? Also, there's one thing. See, हमारा जो wick था कल का, there's a wait. Let me. It was around 23 pips, right? तो आप ले लो around 11, somewhere over half wick. So we can capture some kind of this kind of move to the bullish side and then come down. If it closes or rejected from certain area, this area. Or it's also possible that we are making the unwanted candle of daily. मैम आपका जब लॉस हो रहा था तब आपकी मेंटालिटी कैसी थी? uh See, the thing is that I never took, trading losses as that कि why loss is happening, क्या हो रहा है, because if you will understand the fact that the market will change, market will be, एक टाइम पे ऐसा आएगा कि आपके फेवर में नहीं होगी. So you need to accept पहले से ही that fact that the losses will occur and you can't help it out. You just need to watch the market and improve according to that, or maybe make some tweaks according to that and observe the market. So, the thing is that you need to be acceptance. You need to have a behavior or nature of accepting that market will do this to you, and you need to be prepared for that and just learn along the way. Because I'm looking charts majorly on these hours, 1 or 2 hours. So I don't think so. It will be heavily impacted on me because I'm not looking the charts like all day. So it's not in my mind that time. I made my system like I don't want, charts to be on my mind 24 hours. I just set my TP, SL and that's it. That's it. तो आपका अगर एक सिस्टम बन जाएगा ना, जब कि आपका एक सिस्टम है, आपको इस टाइम पे ट्रेड लेना है, इस टाइम पे टीपी आएगा, इस टाइम पे एसएल आएगा, एंड यू वोंट बी थिंकिंग होल डे अबाउट अ ट्रेड. सो it won't be affecting your mental state then. So I think guys, I will be ending the stream because it's already been late, and we'll be discussing the position tomorrow, and I'll be coming sharp at 12:30 because it's already been 2, I think. Yeah, it's just 8 minutes left, and I just wanted to share like quick analysis of today and what are the positions that I will be in. So if you guys have any questions, just DM me or you can ask me in the Discord. Or if you have any ideas related to trading, just post in the Discord channel and I will be looking forward to it. So I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow, same time, 12:30, and then we can discuss everything. मैम आपका ट्रेडिंग मेंटर कौन था? I have learned actually by myself everything almost. Most of the things I have just learned from myself. Maybe looking the YouTube videos, learning, improvising, data. My mentor was the data, my journal. So I look my journal and see my mistakes and then improve. मेरे आते ही stream खत्म. Oh, you are late in the stream. How much time it's been already? I think it's been 24 minutes. You're late 24 minutes in my stream. Am I getting punished for coming late? No, no, you will not be punished. You were loyal to the trading idea, so I will forgive you then. मैम गोल्ड के बारे में भी कुछ बता दो ना. Actually, the thing is, I don't look at to the gold. I don't know why, but I don't think gold is made for me. But the gold, if you want to ask gold, ask trade with Nitin. He does very well in gold. You can ask him in the Discord or maybe in the chat. But gold, I don't know. See, gold is so wicky right now. When I see gold at this time frame, I'm like, what is happening? What kind of price action is this? But right now we are having consolidation in gold, I believe. On 15 minutes. We are having the change of structure right over here. The daily time frame candle is very indecisive right now. On the 4 hour as well कि ये जो area है, this is pure consolidation. You longs, your SL was my TP. From where did you do long? Okay, you did from here. You did from this candle, okay. If this closes above, then we are good to go above. So guys, I will be ending the stream. That's all for today. I will be coming exactly at 12:30. And if you have any questions, any doubts, just DM in the Discord channel and we'll be answering you over there. And let's trade, let's grow together, guys. Thank you so much.